What's up, everyone? I got a good one for you today. How to fix your credit fast. A step-by-step playbook that actually works, and it's completely legal. No secret hacks or credit repair company pitches here. We're going deep on how to clean up your reports, lower your utilization, and build positive history starting today. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do each week for the next 90 days to move your score in the right direction. It's coming up. What makes up your score? First, a quick refresher, so our actions hit the biggest levers. Payment history, never be late. Utilization, how much of your credit you're using when the statement closes. Age of credit, don't close old accounts. Mixed loans plus cards. New inquiries, keep hard pulls low. Lower third. Payment history, utilization, age mix, new credit. Step 1. Pull all 3 credit reports. Start with the facts. Get your Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion reports. You're looking for late payments dates. How many days late? Collections or charge-offs, amounts, dates. Who owns the debt now? Inaccuracies, wrong. Balances, wrong. Limits, accounts that aren't yours. Duplicate collections. Utilization on each card balance divided by limit. On-screen prompt. Download and save PDFs of all 3 reports. B-roll. Credit report, PDFs, highlighter, checklist. Step 2. Stop the bleeding autopay plus calendar. First things first. Make sure you never miss a payment again. Set autopay for at least the minimum on every open card right now. Add 2 calendar reminders per card. 3 to 5 days before statement close, we'll use this for our payment. On the due date payment B. On-screen text. Never miss. 2 reminders per card. B-roll. Phone calendar reminders toggled on. Step 3. Lower what gets reported utilization play. Next, we need to reduce what gets reported on your credit reports. What matters is the balance reported on statement day, not the due date. So use the 2-payment method. Payment A. 3 to 5 days before the statement closes. Pay your balance down to about 1 to 3% of your limit. Payment B. By the due date, pay the rest, ideally in full, to avoid interest. Example, $3,000 limit, try to show $30, $90 on statement day. If you spend a lot each month, make mid-cycle payments. So your running balance never balloons. On screen, target. 1, 2, 3% per card on statement day. B-roll. Utilization, bar dropping. Calendar plus payment app. Step 4. Bring delinquencies current. If anything is past due, priority 1 is catching up. Call the issuer, ask for a payment plan if needed, and get the account current. After a few months, politely ask for a late payment goodwill adjustment assured. Honest note that you corrected the issue and set autopay. On screen. Get current requests. Goodwill. B-roll. Phone call. Polite email template. Step 5. Handle collections and charge-offs. When a debt goes to collection, slow down and be strategic. You'll see them pop up as either collections or charge-offs. First, validate the debt with the collector, confirm the amount, dates, and that they have the right to collect. If it's yours and you can settle, negotiate in writing. Ask whether they'll update or delete the trade line after payment. Get the terms before you send money. If it's not accurate, wrong person, wrong amount, already paid, dispute it with the bureaus with documentation. On screen. Validate, negotiate, in writing dispute, inaccuracies, B-roll. Letter plus, email, spreadsheet, tracking amounts, dates. Step 6. Dispute real errors. You should only dispute items that are factually incorrect from dates, balances, duplicates, or accounts that aren't yours. Send a clear, factual dispute to each bureau reporting the error. Include your info, the account name, number, what's wrong, and proof statements, letters, police report for identity, theft, etc. Keep copies and track deadlines. On screen, dispute facts, not feelings. Provide proof. B-roll. Simple dispute, letter visuals. Accepted, updated stamp. Step 7. Build positive history. Fixing credit isn't just removing negatives, it's adding positives. Secured credit card with no annual fee. Use it for small buys and let 1 to 3% report monthly. Credit builder loan from a local credit union or online program, small monthly payments that build history. Authorized user on a trusted family member SEs and card with perfect payment history and low utilization. Confirm the bank reports AU. Report, rent phone if your landlord or service supports it. On screen, add positive lines. Secured card builder loan, OB roll. New card envelope, small purchase at store, payment slider. Step 8. Protect age and manage new credit. As you build new positive history, keep an eye on the old stuff. Don't close your oldest accounts. Matters. Space out new applications so you're not stacking hard inquiries. Once your scores improve, consider asking for a credit limit increase, ideally a soft pull to help utilization even more. On screen, keep oldest card open. Limit hard pulls. Soft pull CLI. B-roll. Timeline graphic. Credit limit, increase screen. 90-day action plan. Now let's put it all together. Our goal is to hit the major levers consistently so the score moves over time. Weeks 1 to 2. Pull reports. Set autopay. Start 2 payment method. Bring accounts current. Weeks 3 to 6. Validate. Settle accurate collections. Dispute documented errors. Add a secured card or builder loan. Weeks 7 to 12. Keep utilization 1 to 3%. Never miss a payment. Track updates from disputes. Consider soft pull limit increase. On screen. Consistency beats everything. Close. There it is. The playbook to fix your credit over the next 90 days. Remember, report low, pay on time, clean errors, and build positives. This won't fix your credit overnight, but if you follow it, you'll be shocked how quickly your score can rise. And that's it. If this was helpful, please like the video, subscribe, and drop your questions below. Tell me your statement dates and limits and I'll personally help you set exact payment targets. Until next time, I'm your host. Stay hustlin'.